Hello and welcome to my channel SimonRebello #scholastic tutorials. Today we are going to study shares for class 9 and 10. Here's a small diagram where I will try to explain you the chapter shares. Suppose we have a company X. Now that company is manufacturing some pens and they require some investment, say about ₹100. This can be in lakhs, crores, anything. The company issues shares, and there are different types of shares. So here we are going to study the basic part. Now shares, when they are being issued, the face value for each share will be considered as ₹10 or 100. Face value per share is ₹10. That is called at par when it is at market value 15, it is called at premium, and when it is at ₹5 or less than 10, that is called discount. Here it is more than 10. When the face value in the market is the same, it is called par. When the face value is increased and the market value of that pen has increased, that is called premium. And if the face value in the market is decreased, that is called discount. So market value is related with face value. So market value can be at par, discount, or premium. The company issues certificates called shares. Shares can either be bought or sold. When shares are bought, the medium through whom we buy and sell is called a broker, and he charges his brokerage for each share. The brokerage is connected with market value, that is X% of market value per share. Now in this trade, the government asks for his share, that is called goods and service tax for per share. GST is levied on brokerage per share, so that can be Y% of brokerage value per share. Market value, brokerage value, and GST together make the total value of each share when you are buying. And when you are selling, market value minus brokerage value minus GST will give you the total value of each share. That is while selling. The required amount was 100, as we have assumed it. It can be in lakhs, crores. So we'll just take the smallest figure, 100. So each share costing 10. So here we have got 10 shares. So here 100 rupees is being collected. Now the company assures you with dividend when it makes profit. So total value per share into number of shares we have sold 10 shares, which amounts to 100. It can mean lakhs. So total value per share into number of shares will give you total amount invested or received. Invested while buying and received while selling. Because the company was giving dividend on each share as it makes profit. So the number of shares into dividend per share will give me the total dividend made. Dividend means profit. And finally, we can know the rate of returns after investing. At what percent have we gained that amount? Rate of return means what amount are we going to get back? So the first step is face value, second step is market value, third is brokerage, fourth is GST, fifth is total value per share, sixth is number of shares, total amount invested, seventh, or received, eighth is dividend per share, ninth is total dividend, and finally the 10th one is rate of return. Here total amount invested will be total value per share into number of shares. So here they are connected. Dividend per share. Dividend is always connected with the face value. So that will be Z% of face value per share. Remember, dividend is always given on face value. That's why I have written it here. Total dividend is dividend per share into number of shares will give me total dividend. Finally, rate of return can be calculated. Dividend per share upon total value per share into 100 will give me rate of returns. Or total dividend upon total investment or total amount received, total amount invested or total amount received into 100 will give me rate of return. Here we have the example of a sum. And these are the 10 points we have to remember for shares. This is the basic part while buying and selling. As the sum is tougher, hard, we'll have more steps. That's a later stage. First we learn these 10 points and solve our sums. Please like, share and give a thumbs up. Thank you. For more such videos, keep sharing. Do subscribe my channel. Thank you.